A fresh power play seems to be unfolding in Karnataka politics. Supporters of Home Minister G. Parameswara have organized a grand Paramotsav celebrating his leadership and political journey. But what has raised eyebrows is the timing and the venue. The event was held right in the Chief Minister Siddaramaia's own backyard, sparking talk of competing power centers within the Congress and also fueling speculation of an emerging tussle for influence. Here's what G. Parameswara had to say. Listen in, followed by Congress's Tanveer Said's reaction and Deepak Bopanna's detailed report.
ಅಭಿಮಾನಿಗಳು ನಾನೊಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೌರವ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಹಾಗೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅವರು ಕೇಳಿಕೊಂಡ್ರು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತರಿಂದಲೇ ನಾವು ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತರು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ನಾವೇನೂ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ರಾಜಕಾರಣದ ಮೇಲೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತರ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮನ್ನಣೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಅವರೇ ಹೆಸರಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವೇನು ಅವರ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಗೌರವಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಆಭಾರಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ
ನೀವು ಎಂದು ಸೋಲಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ, ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿ ನಿಂತು ನಾನು ಎತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಆಗ್ಬಹುದು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅವರ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಹಾಕುವಂಥದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದಾಳತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತಮವಾದಂಥ ಸಮಾಜ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಮೈಸೂರಿಂದ ಕೊಡುವಂತಹ ಸಂದೇಶ ಅನೇಕ ರಾಜಕೀಯ ದಿಗ್ಗಜಗಳಿಗೆ ಅವರು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಚಳವಳಿಗಳು ಮೈಸೂರಿಂದ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಮುಂದೆ ನಮಗೆ ಫಲಿತಾಂಶ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ವಿಶ್ವಾಸದೊಂದಿಗೆ.
A couple of years ago, when supporters of Siddaramaiah decided to hold an event named Siddaramotsav, it of course had created an entire political row here in Karnataka. Now, in Siddaramaiah's backyard, Mysuru, an event named Paramotsava, organized by supporters of G. Parameswar, was held. Several supporters, Dalit leaders, there were seers and even some Congress legislators who took part in this event. And interestingly here, Mr. G. Parameswar, while he was also there, many of them speaking in his praise, speaking about the need to elevate him politically, and many of the seers as well blessing him. Now, is this an indicator of another person? Mr. Parameswar is somebody who, probably is considered as one of those leaders who could be, considered by the High Command to take over leadership if they do consider a change. While Mr. Siddaramaiah in the past has made it very clear he's going to, continue for 5 years. Is this a political show of strength by the supporters of G. Parameswar is another question that does come up. How politically will this pan out, and will there be any sort of differences that this will create between the Congress leaders is something that remains to be seen.